JR with OMG carpet cleaning. This video we're watching is about a 23-minute video that we sped up 8 times so you don't have to watch all 22 minutes of the video. We'll leave a description, in the description below we'll leave a link to the original 23-minute video that we ran across. But the basics are, we have this machine here that's called a high flow extraction machine versus a truck mount. The truck mount obviously has the wand, and then the high flow is the larger red one. Now, that's the high flow machine right here. The high flow machine dumps water directly back into the sink, which is why it's a high flow machine. Everybody is familiar with the traditional truck mount, but this bonnet cleaning is what we want to show you. Is the bonnet cleaning was done after both the truck mount and the high flow extraction were done. And the gist of it is the bonnet absorbed a lot of dirt that neither one of the extractors extracted. So we want to show the video to make people aware of the difference in even though you use a truck mount, which is supposed to be kind of the holy grail of carpet cleaning, and you got this portable high volume extractor, but yet they still leave a large amount of soiling in the dirt as you in the carpet, as you can see from just the bonnet cleaning. Now this is just a bonnet. They use a dry bonnet to do this. And as you can see when they lift it up here, how dirty it is. It's incredibly dirty. I assume most people would think the carpet is supposed to be a whole lot cleaner than it is. We tell people all the time that you can't get all the dirt out of carpet. You can only clean kind of the surface, and there's a side-by-side comparison of the two. Now, like I said, if you're interested in watching the entire video, the link is in the description below. But the gist of it is that bonnet cleaning is a great alternative to truck mounted cleaning. It's effective. It gets the job done. It's healthier. It's less expensive. It is more profitable. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day. Take care.